All right, gents, are you ready to learn how to get the best shave of your life, even with a cheap razor? Well, you see, the secret to this great shave is immiscibility. Now, if you remember your chemistry, you know that miscibility is the property of two substances to mix in all proportions. Basically, two solutions can dissolve within each other. Immiscibility is the opposite. It's when this doesn't happen. Basically, we've got an issue with polarities. A common mixture that does not form a solution that many of us are familiar with is oil and water. And that right there is the secret to this amazing shaving hack. You see, when most people shave, they're just using a shaving cream or shaving gel by itself. But gents, that's not you. You're going to level up your shave. And you're going to do this by first applying a shaving oil. I highly recommend you use a shaving oil that uses natural ingredients and has a smell that's amazing, such as this one right here. Also, you want to make sure it has a pump so you can evenly distribute the oil every time. And FYI, 3 to 5 pumps is perfect. So now rub the shaving oil in your hands and apply it to the face. I usually do this right out of the shower. That way the hair follicles on my face are nice and soft. If you're not shaving right out of a warm shower, I would recommend you take a warm towel and put it on your face for just about a minute. That way it's going to soften up the hairs. Now, step 2, we're going to apply the shaving gel. Now, you can use a shaving cream as well. I really like a shaving gel because it's clear and it allows me to be able to see what I'm shaving. I also try to stay away from shaving creams that come in a can. They're using propane as a propellant, and not only does it smell bad, but it's also not good for your skin. Again, it sounds obvious, but try to use products that are natural and organic. So at this point, we now have the 2 layers. You have the oil layer right next to your skin, providing lubrication and protection. And on top of that, you have the water-based layer. That's going to be your shaving gel, your shaving cream. It may not seem like much, but this next step is going to be so much easier, so much smoother now that you've got the 2 layers of protection. And that is step number 3, shaving your face. So if you didn't know, there is a proper technique to shaving your face. Down in the description of today's video, I will link over to a shaving map that you can actually check out the direction for most men in which you're going to want to shave your face. However, the general rule of thumb is 1, to shave with the grain. That means in the direction the hair is growing. And 2, you want to shave with small, controlled strokes. You don't want the razor traveling more than about ½ an inch with each stroke. And this is one of the easiest ways to damage the skin on your face by being too rough with it. Wow, I feel good. Now, as you can see here, I don't have perfect technique. And after that first shave that I managed to make it through, I did spot an area on my chin in which I missed a few hairs. Definitely, I could feel there was something there. Now, the truth is, most of us don't have time for a second shave, and honestly, no one else is going to notice. So under normal circumstances, I wouldn't even worry about this. But as a bonus, and because we're going for the perfect shave here, if you're going to go for a second round, make sure that, again, you apply the oil, you apply the shaving cream or shaving gel, and first address the area that you missed, and then don't be afraid to go over for a second round. This time, you actually don't have to go with the grain. You can, because there are less hairs, go against the grain and get a shave that goes a little bit closer to the skin and is just going to give you that smooth baby butt type feel. And let's not forget the double secret bonus here, a cooling aftershave. Now, when most guys think of an aftershave, they think of a burning sensation. Gents, it doesn't have to be this way. Look for an aftershave that's a cooling aftershave that contains witch hazel and aloe. The purpose of an aftershave is to help clean up any cuts or nicks and to soothe irritation. So if you deal with any red marks after shaving, make sure that you add an aftershave to your routine. Now, gents, because I want so many of you guys to start using a shaving oil in your routine, I am giving away 100 bottles of shaving oil. Now, you do need to buy a shaving gel and an aftershave, but we're throwing in that shaving oil absolutely free, and the total savings on the package is over 30%. And of course, since it's a Vitaman product, everything you buy over at their website, a 100% money-back guarantee. So remember, gents, we're only giving away 100 bottles. The details are in the description. All right, gents, what video to watch next? Well, I got you covered right here with this video, which, yeah, you can tell what it is. Click on it, go check it out. Magically, you'll be taken to this next video, which I promise is amazing. Check it out. Boom, click it right there. That's it.